Introduction to the user interface. Store and Find's user interface follows familiar application concepts and takes very little time to learn and get used to. Store and Find opens as soon as you launch the application. The workstation client interface is divided into 3 sections to give you a quick, well-structured overview. The left side contains a clear tree structure with the available folders in which your saved documents are located. In the top right you can see the documents in the selected folders and/or documents that correspond to your individual search. In the bottom half of the screen, Store and Find displays the corresponding document properties used to save your document. Furthermore, the Practical Preview function lets you easily display the contents of all the documents in your search results. The following sections show you the possibilities and benefits of Store and Find's functions, which help you to simplify managing your documents. Direct import of Microsoft Office documents. Store and Find gives you the option of directly archiving your documents created in Microsoft Office, for example Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. To do this, simply click on the Store and Find button in the menu bar. A window automatically opens in which you can index the document. First, you have to allocate your document to a folder such as incoming before you can add other information such as the document name or description. Once the document has been saved, it is automatically imported into Store and Find and will be available at the click of a button when you perform a document search. The Preview tab is the easy way to display all the contents of the documents in your search results. The advantage Store and Find gives you is that it's not necessary to first file your documents in a separate folder in order to subsequently go through the time-consuming process of indexing them and finally archiving them. Store and Find is the convenient one-step way to import your documents direct from the Microsoft Office environment as you create them. Easy email integration. Store and Find gives you the option of archiving your Microsoft Outlook emails directly in Store and Find. Both incoming emails and those written by you can be conveniently imported just by clicking the Store and Find button. A window automatically opens in which you can index the email. First, you have to allocate your email to a folder such as outgoing before you can add other information such as the name or description. Once the email has been saved, it is automatically imported into Store and Find and will be available at the click of a button when you perform a document search. The Preview tab is the easy way to display all the contents of the documents in your search results. The advantage Store and Find gives you is that it's not necessary to first save your emails in a different file format in a separate folder in order to subsequently go through the time-consuming process of indexing and finally archiving them. Store and Find is the convenient one-step way to import your emails directly from the Microsoft Office environment as you read or write them. Document indexing at the scanning stage. Store and Find Embedded allows full integration of developed multifunctional systems into document workflow. Once integrated, keywords and index terms can be entered directly on the developed multifunctional systems display. To do this, after placing your originals in the document tray, simply press the Store and Find button on the display. Various folders such as incoming will now appear on the display. Once you have allocated your document to a specific folder, you can supply other information such as a name or a description. Now press Start. Your document is automatically imported into Store and Find and will be available at the touch of a button when you perform a document search. Previously, documents for electronic archiving first had to be scanned in and then forwarded to the relevant workstation where they could be indexed, categorized, and then filed. 4 steps which take 4 times longer. The advantage is that Store and Find considerably reduces the time required because documents can be indexed and categorized before scanning and captured directly in Store and Find. The outcome is a perceptible reduction in the time taken to file documents. Facility to create document versions. Documents saved in Store and Find can be extracted from the archive, that is, checked out, edited, and once again filed in Store and Find as a new version, in other words, checked in. To do this, simply highlight the document to be edited, then click on Document Functions with the right mouse button, then click on Checkout. Choose a place to save the document and save it. Make your changes to the document and save it under the same name. Highlight the original document in Store and Find, click on Document Functions with the right mouse button, then click on Check-in. Then select the place you saved the document, click on the document and go to Open. The new version of the document is immediately imported into Store and Find and given a version. If you now select the document, under the Version tab you will see that a second version of your original document has been created. The advantage is that the different versions let you drag changes to a document at any time, but the original document is retained for a reference. Follow-up function. The follow-up function makes it possible to give documents archived in Store and Find a date for automatic follow-up. To set up follow-up, highlight the document in question and choose Set Request Date by clicking the right mouse button. A dialog box will open which lets you allocate follow-up to a specific user and give the document a follow-up date and comment. On the specified date, the follow-up window will automatically open in the Store and Find client and display the corresponding document. The benefit for you is that you or other users will automatically be reminded of the document concerned on a date specified by you. This function is especially helpful where appointments or interdepartmental processes are concerned. Search using the Store and Find workstation version. The workstation version of the Store and Find program includes a comprehensive search function. In the left of the taskbar there is a window which facilitates a global search across all categories. The window to the right lets you search for documents within the selected document folder only, for example suppliers. If you click on the magnifying glass icon, it opens another search panel for a simplified or advanced search. It doesn't matter which document search method you choose, because Store and Find includes OCR text recognition. You can of course search by document content as well as name and description. When your search results are displayed, you can conveniently see the contents of all the documents by clicking the Preview tab. The workstation version of the Store and Find program gives you the benefit of full access to all Store and Find functions, such as direct import from Microsoft Office and Microsoft Outlook, convenient preview, the document version and follow-up functions, as well as the allocation of individual user rights. Search using the web client. The web client gives you the option of performing a quick and easy search for your documents in Store and Find from any computer in your company, regardless of your operating system. To do this, simply open your browser and click on the Store and Find link your administrator has set up for you. The Store and Find web client opens once you have successfully logged on. Click on the magnifying glass to the left of the navigation bar to access the document search function. Here you can easily search by document name, document description, or document content using a simplified or advanced search. The web client means you can access your documents from any computer in your company. Searching is extremely easy and intuitive thanks to its similarity to familiar internet search engines.